Hi, I want to go over some of the importance of research tools. So let's take a look at some of these research tools. If we look at this research tool, this is going to be used for science. This is what you would use to maybe settle in on your topic. If you were struggling with a topic, you would use this website. And it talks about word of the week, experiments, but you are not going to use this to write your research paper. You just might use it to get some extra information. The next one I want us to look at is this encyclopedia. This is where you can type in your information, such as Alamo, Big Cat, or the Texas Alamo. Be very careful. If you just type in Alamo, there's no telling what you're going to get. You might get the rental car, not the Texas Alamo. Let's go back. We have the almanac. The almanac is mainly for science again, and it'll have the day of the week, it'll have the temperature, it'll talk about the moon's phase. Look at that. It shows you the moon's names. April's full moon, a sky watch. This is not what you would use to do your research. This is just extra information in case you were wondering about something. Social science, Fact Kitty or Kittle. You could use this for research. You could type in your search bar what you want to type, what you want to learn about, such as, say, the Loch Ness Monster. You could type that in and it'll give you some articles. This is a good website to do research on, and it'll give you more than one article. So we have looked at these so far. Now let's look at some other options as well. We have Wonderopolis. Wonderopolis is not something you would necessarily use to do your main research. It's a I wonder, or maybe you could explore it, narrow down your topic if you were unsure of things. We have this one right here, DK Find Out. You could use this as part of your research. It has animals. It has human body. You could also use it to practice maybe your computer coding or to help you with math and language arts. National Geographic. You can explore the different animals, so this would probably be a nice one to start your topic on. But I wouldn't use it for cold, hard facts, just to sort of get an idea, a jumping off point. Kidtopia is a nice one. I keep using the word nice because I really like these. You could start off with science and social studies. It'll help you narrow down your topic. And look at this. Why use it? It's going to talk about why using it. Then these over here, these are videos you can watch to help you with your research. So this one's going to talk about your resource tools, the different kinds of tools you can use. This talks about different types of online sources, whether they're a .gov or a .edu, and it tells you if they're reliable or not. If you go on to this one, it's just an introduction of resource information. It sort of introduces you to how to find your resources and how to use them. This is real news versus fake news and how to spot it. This is a short video on how to cite your information. Now it's MLA format, it's not APA. This talks about secondary sources. So you have primary and secondary, and it's very important to know the difference between the two. This is evaluating your sources for credibility. That's very important because some of your sources that you might find, they're not that great. And are they credible? Are they one-sided? This talks about the different types of sources again that you can use. And this is also another one on how to evaluate your sources for reliability. I like this one. It's a research tool you can use. So if you're still struggling with everything, you can click on this one, and it talks about a research paper versus a term paper, the steps in writing a research paper, choosing a subject, subjects versus topic, writing a thesis, and then it goes down into doing the research and using the internet. All of these little information, the little videos, and the different tools you have here, they are great options. Remember, it is very, very important to identify your information, know what you want to write about, decide what you want to write about, and secondly, you must be able to know how to use your sources. You don't want to use a science tool to do an autobiography. It's essential to use a variety of tools because you can't rely on just one source. You need a bunch of different sources. And when you use different sources, it sort of backs up what you're talking about, and it makes your research paper more credible. I hope this has helped you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.